Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to lock cells in an Excel spreadsheet to protect them from overwriting. Let's get started. As you can see, there is some data in this table representing inventory, production, release and stock within a time span of 3 months, January, February and March. The bottom row contains formula to create some of these. What we want to do here is to leave the cells containing data. Those are these cells right over here. Unlock for editing so that people could write their own values in these cells, but at the same time lock the cells within a formula, months, inventory and status to make them read out only. And this is how we do it. The first step is to check for the option to lock all the cells in the sheet. You can do so by clicking on the top left hand corner. This will highlight the whole spreadsheet. Now right click, find the format cell option and a pop-up window will appear. Check whether the lock option has been selected on the protection tab. Through this, all the cells in the sheet has been locked. Click on OK and we'll move on our next step. Now we will select the cells we do not want to lock, the cells into which the people will be able to type their data. Right click again and format cells option again. For these cells, we will untick the locked box. These two steps basically told the software first to lock all the cells in the spreadsheet, and then in the second step, Excel was told which cell we want to keep unlocked and which cell we should remain editable. Well, this lead all us to the third and last step, to apply the rule that was set earlier. The function protect sheet must be activated on or turned on. This can be done through the review tab with this protect sheet button. If you need, you can set up a password for security reason. I'm going to skip the password for now, so I will confirm it by clicking on the OK button. The spreadsheet with the cell as we selected them is now protected. If you want to undo the protection, simply go to Review tab and protect the sheet. All the cells in the spreadsheet will be open for editing. If you want to find this video helpful, like us and subscribe for more videos.